Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to share today we are going to teach you how to share a folder from Google Drive with someone. First of all, we have to go to Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive interface. So when we will enter Google Drive, we will enter into the home page. So in order to share a file folder with someone, you can share your previous folder or you can make a new folder. So if you want to make a new folder, you can just click on here and click a new folder. Or if, for example, I want to share this folder with someone, which is called files. How can we share this folder with someone? It is very easy. With a very simple trick, you can easily share this folder with someone. Just go on the right hand side, click on this arrow and go to share option. And uh, when you will first and when you will first enter the share option, you will have a page like this, which is which will be restricted. So you have to change it with anyone with the link. Another thing you have to change is that you have to change the viewer option to editor option, because if you select editor option, the person you're sharing the folder to, you can easily organize, add or edit or download the folder or the elements from the folder very easily. So you have to change the role from viewer to editor. So click on editor. Now click on copy link. Now click on none. So this, I want to share this folder with someone. I will show you one simple steps. I want to share this folder with my friend through Gmail. Same process is applicable for Telegram, Messenger, WhatsApp, every app that there is. I'll go to Gmail. I will, I will just click on Control V. It will automatically paste the drive link here. So you can see you can easily share a folder with someone uh, of your Google Drive very easily. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends and family who need this type of video. We will see you in another day. Thank you.